This 2.4 cylinder 2001 Galant has a misfire. Ever since I replaced the intake manifold with the Outlander non-Myvec, it's been running great. No complaints. But then it just started misfiring, you know, one day here. And I checked the valve cover and the tube seals, and they needed to be replaced because there was oil in 3 and 4. So I replaced them. And I used some Rhinzo seal on the spark plug tube seals to mate them up to the bottom of the valve cover, and I cleaned all the surfaces there and everything so it would stick nice. Of course, no leaking now, but 3 and 4 had oil in the bottom, in the base of the tube. 3 had about a quarter of a teaspoon. 4 had about a teaspoon in it. So 3 and 4 were fouled out, and so I said to hell with it, you know, just replace it. I put brand new plugs in, and it was running great. It really was. It was running great. I assumed that I had fixed the problem, that maybe the spark plugs had fouled out or something like that, and everything was great. No complaints. Didn't think anything of it. And then about 3 or 4 days later, the misfire condition returned. So now I've been driving with this misfire condition for a while on this car. Actually, I haven't been driving it because of that. I've got another car. But I'm thinking alternator, coil packs. The wires look good. There doesn't seem to be any arcing at night or anything like that. I bought some extra grounds I put in. Put a ground to here, and then an extra ground going back. And I got another ground over here I set up. But I have them unhooked right now because I've been messing with it. Yeah. The boots, they looked good. I need new boots now because when I took them out I stretched them, and they got some tears in them, which is obviously possibly contributing to the problem, but it was doing that before they got some rips in them from taking them out, because they were kind of stuck in there. But this was all happening before that. So now I'm going to get some new you know, boots and wires. I like how you have to buy the boots on wire, the wire on boot or whatever, and the coil on plug on just those two. It's kind of funky. You have to get like a kit, so it's always a little more expensive that way than just getting you know, a wire or getting a coil or whatever. This car has coil on plug in all 4, so it's really easy. I think it's like 40 or 50 bucks for a set. It's not that big a deal, really. But I mean, if anyone else got any idea, brand new battery, brand new timing belt. Well, the timing belt is not brand new, it's like 30,000 miles old. New accessory belts. I was thinking it could be the alternator. Sensors and vacuum leaks all seem to check out. Yeah, I'm just kind of stumped, you know. Thinking about taking the alternator off and getting it bench tested, but you know, well, I guess I don't really know. So yeah, brand new battery. I was thinking coils. It's got new spark plugs. I don't know. So if someone has some advice or something, let me know. I appreciate it.